guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reading Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Okay, let's read it. Can read this book. Is what it says. You know where it is. Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. That's not going to work. I know it's not going to work. Look at Pete the Kitty. He has a cute clothes and a teddy bear. Cute. Pete stands on one foot. Hick. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh no, poor Pete the Kitty. Pete asked Callie, How do I stop my hiccups? Maybe she get married. They're made for each other. La 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 la. She has an ear and the other ear. If you guys know who Callie is. She's a cat. She's right here, having a picnic. How romantic. Okay, let's get back to the story. I know, says Callie, you stand on one foot and hop up and down. Excuse me. Should we make that end the video? Okay, let's get back to the story. I just had a... Let's just get back to the story. Wait, Pete still has... Seriously. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Hick. Pete asked Gus, How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot, hop up and down, and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Hick. Pete asked Bob, How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. Oh, my neck itches. This is his brother Bob surfing. A What's his favorite thing? He loves the beach. You stand on one foot, hop up and down, and sing a song, and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. It's not gonna work. He just slips off. That was just to show you guys. Hiccups! Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Bob is Pete's brother's name. He asked, Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. He blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asked. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits and he waits and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. The end. No, it says something right here. It says Pete the kitty has a bad case of the hiccups. He doesn't know what to do, so he asked his pals for help. Will Pete the kitty find a way to get rid of his hiccups? And yet he still tried and he got rid of them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn notifications. See you guys later. Bye. Bye.